Our project on Tragone Drive is a big one. We did a lot of stuff in there. We made their kitchen way bigger. We created this beautiful mudroom / laundry room off of the kitchen, and then we made this dining space a lot more functional for the family. Let's talk about the kitchen. One of the first things that we did with the kitchen layout was to add some windows on the side wall of the house to really bring in a lot of natural light. And then we also expanded the window over the kitchen sink to let tons of light in that way. The cabinets in there are all a soft white, and the countertops are beautiful quartz. They're so durable, they're easy to clean, and they look like marble without the cost of marble. Off of the kitchen, we created this laundry / mudroom sort of kids crafting area. She had laundry there already, but it was in a different location, so we just moved it into a better spot for her. And the cabinetry in there is so pretty. We made sure we considered what was going to go in the cabinets, how the kids were going to use them, and she also wanted to put a second fridge right in there. So a lot of people put their second refrigerator down in the basement, but she knew that she wanted hers right off the kitchen, so it was really convenient. The mudroom, laundry room area is really neat because of the patterned floor tile that she chose, and then inside the pantry cabinets is a really fun wallpaper. So it's kind of like a little fun surprise every time you put something away. We replaced the floors in the whole first floor with the beautiful engineered hardwood, which is kind of a medium tone, goes with everything. And one of the really special details of this kitchen is the custom hutch that we built. It has an arched top, it's got some glass doors on it. It's a really pretty place for her to display all of her china. In the family room space, we got to add some bar cabinetry in there as well, and the stain color of that talks to the hutch cabinet in the kitchen. Both of those pieces also have glass doors to it, so the whole space feels very unified and very thoughtful. One of my favorite features of this project is all the paneling that we added. Paneling is kind of an easy way to really elevate the whole vibe of the space without breaking the bank. So a couple spaces that we did it was on the fireplace wall. We made this custom paneling detail above and around the fireplace, and then we also did the same thing in the foyer and then up the stairs. It really makes the whole home feel more traditional, more elevated in a simple way. Adding an opening between the kitchen and the dining room really allowed for much better flow, better entertaining, and it allows the family to use the dining room space a lot more than they were before. The appliance configuration in this project is one of a kind. The homeowner knew they wanted double ovens, but she didn't want them showing above, so we decided to separate them and put them under the counter in the island. So we've got oven, microwave drawer, then the other oven, all under the counter. We decided to panel the refrigerator, so that kind of blends in with the cabinetry as well. And then the only focal point is the hood with its cooktop below. This project was a success because we were able to transform the whole first floor of this home into a space that's not only beautiful, but functions really well for this family of 6.